How to find app settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find app settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then click apps. Here you will find it. Just scroll until you find it and click on it, and then press app, and here you will find any app you want, like Facebook, and that's it. If you want to manage it, just click on it, or you can just type here apps, and here we'll find app settings, and then click apps, and that's it. It's easy. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.